AI can change a lot of things, including what's true and what's not.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi.
So we thought, why not do the coolest collab at this moment in history? Why not collab with AI? What did we do? Well, we created our own GPT, Truth GPT. We've trained Truth GPT on our own original verified knowledge base. We've trained it on Truth Be Told, our incredible weekly newsletter, on the Whole Truth Academy, our YouTube series, and on Chemex, our database of chemicals commonly found in your food. So next time Nani or Mami sends you that suspicious message on the family WhatsApp group saying whey protein is full of drugs and sunflower oil is the best cooking oil in the world, hold on. Take a deep breath and check Truth GPT. That's it. Head over to our website and try out Truth GPT. Ask it any question around food and fitness. Hell, ask it to write a poem around white bread. Tell me how it worked. Did you like it? Can we improve it? Remember, Truth GPT is experimental and I'm counting on you to make it awesome. Partner with us as we continue to bring you the whole truth.